Well, I just lie next to my truck in the bed of it. It's not too thick, but for $8 a can, it's not bad. I use 3 different things. This is a different can, this is a different can, and then you can see the difference in color. That's a different can. So I use 3 different cans, and this is the nicest because it was $10 a can. This is a lot thicker. But now I have my 97 Dodge, and the frame on it is beautiful. Not a speck of rust. Just got done cleaning it. No drive shaft about to break. Oh, sorry, Chris. So for 97, this is unbelievable in the states. Well, the upper states like New York. So we're gonna keep it like this. So we're gonna do the undercoating, whatever. I got 2 cans of this shit. Undercoating rubberamento, whatever the frick that means. Spanish. This was $7.88 a can. I have 2 of those. And we're gonna see how much we can get with 2 cans, and then if we have to, we'll buy more. Then I have this hammered shit, Rust-Oleum. Basically the same stuff, but I think this stuff's gonna be better. So we got her all jacked up, and on the side. So now I'm just gonna get the creeper, go under, start spraying after it's done drying. Because as you can see, there's a little water. But for 97, this frame's awesome. Okay, we'll wait until it dries. So here's a little bit of before under the truck. Sorry about that, that's the leaves. But as you can see, there's like no rust on it. So we're gonna keep it like that. So, let's let her dry. So we ran out of daylight yesterday. So we just got the truck up on the stands. And then here's all our crap. There we go. Rust sealant right there. So we got a little done, as you can see. Sprayed her down. And I couldn't really see where I was spraying, so I had to stop before I sprayed the wrong stuff. So, let's get the creeper and get it under here. Well, that's what we used so far. We got all different products. That's different. We got 3 different, 4 different cans. And I'll show you what I did so far. I did most of the, I didn't want to do the exhaust because I didn't want to smell freaking burnt, whatchamacallit, but did most of the front half. And there's the difference. But yeah, she's coming pretty good. So now I think I'm gonna have to only buy, let's see, I want to say 4 more cans because I already did all this crap over here, all up to the back end. So far we spent, let's see, $8, 16, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74 plus tax, about $78. So hopefully the $78 investment will last me a long time. I mean, I think the motor's going to blow before the truck ever will rust out. And then with my bed liner, after I sprayed all that shit, I'm up to about $100. So let's go get 4 more cans. Now we have the ass end up. Bought 4 more cans. I think that should do it. Another $45.02. This shit's good because it's for an actual truck bed that takes a bigger beating than the bottom of this crap does. So we got up to, let's see, right about here on the truck. Right about right here. And just back. And we already did this side. There's the after. And then here's the before. Okay, let's get to her. I ran out of toilet paper. So we just let the spear down. Now we can get all this crap up here. Easier to get to now. And unfortunately, they were out of the cheap stuff, so I had to buy. Jesus Christ. So 14 cans later, and 6 hours of work, and your frickin' spray paint finger hurts. Ouch. This old bitch hurts. Okay. Your frame looks beautiful. Your whole underneath looks beautiful. Look at that. So frickin' sweet. Awesome. And I gotta just put that tire up. It's beautiful. So, now I gotta wash up, figure out how to get this crap off my hands. I don't think it'll be easy. Put my tire up. This engine has 190,000 miles, 191,000 miles, and the transmission shifts beautifully. You don't even, it's so smooth. But when the engine does blow, because this body's gonna outlast the engine by far, I hope, anyways. What should I go for? Fuel economy or power? Leave your comments in the comment section below. We'll see ya. And that's our grand total. 150 bucks. So is the investment worth it? We'll find out.